Enter the world of mechanical giants that are a testament to human ingenuity pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Watch in awe as they navigate through challenging landscapes and perform incredible feats. Let's explore with NLTech. I stood at a distance, watching the team of workers chop down the smoldering giant tree. The flames licked around the trunk, making crackling sounds, and smoke billowed. The chainsaws rang out, layers of charred bark fell, sparks flying as the saw hit the heart of the wood. The workers worked quickly but carefully, controlling each saw stroke to ensure the tree fell in the right direction. When the tree began to shake, the creaking sound made everyone stop and hold their breath. Then a bang shook the entire forest. The giant tree fell to the ground in thick dust and smoke. The scene was both majestic and dangerous. Look, John Deere 1110D working in the swamp forest. I can't help but admire. Despite the slippery mud, it still moves smoothly, lifting and stacking heavy logs with an extremely flexible crane. The driver is calm, working precisely, as if nothing is difficult for this machine. A great tool for forestry. Standing and watching the high-powered wood chipper in action, I couldn't help but be amazed. Branches and tree trunks, big or small, were sucked into the machine's mouth in an instant, then spat out neat wood chips. The sound was powerful. Each cut was precise as if the machine never got tired. Seeing how it processed a large pile of wood in just a few minutes was terrifyingly effective. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I would have found it hard to believe that a machine could do it so quickly and neatly. Standing and watching the Hydro Axe 621E work, I was truly amazed. This machine is like a monster in the forest, rushing in and knocking down trees, big or small, in the blink of an eye. The cutting head rotates strongly. Each tree trunk falls down neatly, without wasting any time. Working with this Jobo ST50 Combi, the work is easy and fast. The machine processes wood very smoothly. From cutting, planing to stacking in a snap. Simple control, precise, no waste. Really, with this machine, the work is much easier. The Panguapuli forestry truck was stuck deep in the mud, its wheels spinning but sinking deeper and deeper as it turned. The scene was tense, because if not handled promptly, the truck could tip over at any moment. Oh my god! The Doosan 130 excavator was working on the top of the mountain. And it was really creepy. The scene was really dangerous. The giant machine was breaking rocks right on the edge of the cliff. Each powerful blow sending rocks flying everywhere. Each blow could cause rocks to roll down. And if not careful, the machine could slip out. The driver moved very carefully. But the rock breaking still made me hold my breath. The ground shook under my feet. And rocks flew out like bullets. Not everyone dared to stand near this scene. The machine was powerful, but it also contained countless dangers. Witnessing the truck carrying timber overturn, timber falling heavily to the ground. The scene was dangerous. Large logs could cause an accident at any moment. Everyone quickly backed away, relieved that no one was injured. But the danger was still obvious. Look at the Hitachi 350 with CBI shear clamps lifting large tree stumps. It is impressive. The powerful machine lifts each large tree stump easily. The metal sound squeals as it clamps firmly. This scene makes me admire the power and efficiency of the machine. Watching the MP100 work, I couldn't believe my eyes. This powerful machine effortlessly cut through large logs with impressive speed and precision. The noise was loud, but the results were amazing. Wood neatly stacked in minutes. Without waste. It was more efficient than anything I'd ever seen. Watching the Woodmiser LT70 machines cutting wood was truly impressive. The sharp saw blade glided through the large tree trunk. Each slice was neat, fast and precise. The sound of the chainsaw was constant, but everything was very smooth. The giant tree was transformed into neat boards in a split second. Watching the machine work, I could clearly see the absolute efficiency and precision, making the job of cutting wood much easier. Look, the race of heavy timber trucks. They rush on the rough road. Heavy wheels, roaring engines. The Gens Hem 593R is proving its impressive power in the forestry industry. With the ability to crush large logs in a split second, the machine works quickly and accurately. Equipped with advanced technology, it flexibly handles all types of wood, becoming an indispensable tool in logging. We are witnessing the amazing power of the K-700 when pulling a large tree stump. With a powerful engine and superior pulling power, this machine easily lifts the giant log. Despite its heavy and sturdy weight, the engine roars as the machine pulls strongly. Each wheel sinks deeply but still does not slow down. The K-700 is not just a work tool, but a symbol of strength and the ability to overcome all challenges in the forestry industry. Thank you for watching today's video. If you find the video interesting and meaningful, please leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel to watch the latest videos of the channel.